Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Dakota Creech. I'm an intern with Sea Island Land Development. I'm a senior at Clemson University studying construction science and management. This will be my second internship with Sea Island. Over my first year, I started learning how to lay some pipe, learning how to use a laser, a braid rod, anywhere from the roller, starting out with the basics. And then throughout the summer, I got a little bit more advanced. I got a little bit more time on some equipment, roller, the loaders, the off-roads, a little bit of seat time on the excavators, bulldozers. The cool part about the internship too is I get to kind of choose where I want to put my focus in. When I graduate, I want to go more the grading side or the pipe side, or the project management side. For this internship, I think I'm going to go more the grading route. We'll see as we go from there, but I'm very excited. Where I'm wanting to end up with Sea Island, somewhere along the lines, of a superintendent, or maybe somewhere in the office, maybe the estimating side, project management side. We'll see where the road takes me.